Hello students, today we will see more example of function. Yesterday we have studied function, what is function, what are the advantages of the function, how to define the function, how to call the function, how to send value to the function, how to get value from the function. All the topics we have covered yesterday. Today we will see some more example, how to create function, how to call function, how to send value, all these things we will see in our program. Okay, so today's our first program is to calculate sum of two numbers using function. So this is the comment statement, program to calculate sum of two numbers using function. Okay, so to define the function, first of all we have to use keyword def. Okay, yesterday we have seen that def keyword is used to define a function. Okay, def, the name of function is my fun or my sum. Okay, this is the name of function. Now within the bracket we have to write two variables, suppose x comma y. This indicates that my function, the name of my function is my sum, and it will accept the value x and y. It will accept the value x and y. Now suppose we have received two values. Now it will calculate answer, and answer will be what? X plus y. Okay, now we can display the value of sum, so we can write here print answer, so it will print the answer. Okay, this is our function. Now function is over. Now we will create our main program which will call this program. So main program is, we need to accept two values from the user, so we will write here int, and we will prompt user to enter the number. Enter first number, then b input, enter second number. Okay, now we accepted two values from the user. Now we will call function. So name of our function is my sum, and we will send this value a and b, the value of a and b, we will send this value to the function my sum. So it means that whenever we call a function by sending the value, so the value of a will go to x and the value of b will go to y. Okay, then function will calculate the value of sum of x and y. It will store in as, and it will print the value of answer. Okay, now our main program is over. Okay, so whenever we will run the program execution will start from here. First of all, it will accept value from the user, first number, second number. Then function will be called, and while calling function we will send value a and b. The value of a and b will go to x and y. Answer will be calculated x plus y, and answer will be printed as x plus y. Okay, so we will run the program. Name of function is fun sum. See here, it is asking first number 10, enter second number 20, so output will be 30. In this way we can make program by using function. So write program from here. This is the main program. This is the main program. Here we are accepting the value from the user. We are calling function. Here A and B are called as argument. Which argument? So it is actual argument. Yesterday we have seen that the argument which is present in main program is called as actual argument, and the argument which is present in the function are called as formal argument. Are called as formal argument. Okay, this is what? This is a function, user defined function. You can say user defined function, and this is what? This is main program. Okay, so I hope you understand this program. Now our next program is to calculate factorial of an entered number using function. So here is the command: program to calculate the factorial using function. Now first of all we will design function. So for designing function we need to write here keyword def, then function name myFact. It will accept one value, so I am writing here x. Okay, then column. Then for calculating factorial we need variable f, and the value of variable f will be 1. Then we need to write here loop for I in range from 1 to x plus 1. You know the logic of factorial. Okay, now we will write f is equal to f into I. So here calculation of factorial is over. Now we will print the value of f with message factorial is equal to f. Function is over. Now we will create main program. So main program, this is the command. Okay, now we will accept one value. Suppose n is equal to int input, enter any number. Okay, now we will call function, and name of function is myFact, and we will send the value of n. This value of n will go to x, and here x will be used to calculate the factorial. Loop will start from 1 to x, and it will calculate f is equal to f into I, means it will calculate the factorial. Okay, this is the main program, and this is the user defined function. User defined function. You know the logic of factorial that we have learned last year. Okay, simple, we are writing a program by using the function. We need to learn here how to call the function, how to send the value while calling the function, how to receive the value, how to calculate the value, how to print the value. Okay, logic is known to us for factorial, but here we are learning how to create the function, how to send the value to function, how to accept the value in a function, how to calculate, and how to print the result. Okay, now we will run the program. Fact, fun, fact. See, it is accepting value 5. Output is 120. So the factorial of 5 is 120. Again we will run the program. We will check against another number. Suppose I am entering here 7. So the factorial of 7 is 5040. That's all for this program. Now we will see next program. Now our next program is to check the number, whether number is Armstrong or not. You know which number is Armstrong number? So here is the comment, 153 is an Armstrong number. Okay, so we will check this number, whether this number is Armstrong or not. So you know the logic of the program. We need to design the function which will check whether entered number is Armstrong or not. Okay, so first of all we will design the function. So for designing function, we will write def, then arm. This is the name of function. It will accept a number, suppose n. Okay, now to check the number whether it is Armstrong or not, we need to calculate the remainder. So you know the logic. A is equal to n percent 10, then n is equal to int n divided by 10, then b is equal to n mod 10, then c is equal to int n divided by 10. Okay, now we have separated all the three numbers, all the three digits of entered number. Now we will calculate sum 1 is equal to a into a plus this logic we have seen last year. Okay, b into b plus c into c. So we have calculated the sum of all these calculated numbers. Now we will check t is equal to n. Now we will check this sum 1 with t. Sum 1 is equal to t, then we will print yes, entered number is Armstrong. Otherwise print entered number is not okay. This is the function. Okay, now we will design the main program. First of all, we will accept a value. Suppose x is equal to 8. We will ask the user, please enter any number having 3 digits. Okay, now we will call the function, and the name of function is Armstrong, and we will send the value of x to the function. Okay, here we are accepting the value in a number having 3 digits. Here we are calling function. Here we are calling function Armstrong. The value of x will go to value of x will go to n, then L will be stored in T. Suppose I have entered 153, so it will store in T also. Okay, now suppose I have entered 153, so the value of n will be, so the value of x will be here 153. Now I am calling here function. The value of x is 153, so the value of x will go to the value of n. Okay, now the value of n will be 153. The value of n 153 will be stored in variable t. Okay, now suppose our number is 153, then here we are calculating the remainder by dividing 10. So the value will be what? Value will be 3. The value of a will be 3. Now here n will be what? N will be 15. Now here b will be what? 5. Here c will be 1. Okay, these are the comment statement which will help you to understand. Here a will be 3, here n will be 15, here b will be 5, c will be 1. Now we have separated 153, means 153 into separate 3 digits, 3, 5, 1. Okay, now we will calculate cube of this a, means 3 into 3 into 3 means 27, plus the value of b is 5, so 5 into 5 into 5 means 125, plus value of c is 1, so 1 into 1 into 1, so the sum will be what? Sum will be 27 plus 125 plus 1, so it will be 153. If I entered 153, the value of sum will be 153. Now we will check whether the value of t, means value of n, and the value of someone is same, then the entered number is Armstrong. Otherwise, entered number is not Armstrong. Now we will run this program. Some error is coming. Okay, input statement is missing, no? Now I am running the program. So suppose I am entering 153, so it is saying entered number is Armstrong. Again I am running this program. Suppose I am entering 456, so this number is not Armstrong. Suppose I am running this program again. 471. Again this number is not Armstrong number. Again I am running this program. 370. So it is Armstrong number. I hope that you understand this program. Okay, now we will see next program. Now next program is to find whether entered number is prime or composite. So we will write the function. This is your comment. Program to check number is prime or composite. We will design the function first of all. Def prime. This function will receive one value n. Now for finding number is prime or not, we need to use here loop. For I in range, loop will start from 2 to n minus 1. Then we will check whether n is divisible by I. If it is divisible, then loop will terminate. Otherwise loop will continue. Now we will check if I plus 1 is equal to n, then we will print entered number is prime. Else print entered number is composite. Now we will write main program. First of all, we will enter any number. Suppose a is equal to int input, enter any number, then we will call function prime by sending value a. If we enter any number and suppose we are entering here 8, the value of a will be 8. 8 will go to n, the value of n will be 8. Now the loop will execute from 2 to 7. Now the 8 will be divisible by 2. Means 8 divided by 2. If the remainder is 0, then no need to check further, and it will come that I plus 1. I plus means what? The value of I is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is equal to n means 8. 3 is equal to 8. No, the entered number is composite. Suppose if I entered 7. So the value of a will be 7. The value of n will be 7. The loop will continue from 2 to 6. Then it will divide 7 by 2. It will not divisible, so loop will continue for 3. 7 divided by 3, 0 will not come, so again it will continue. Then 7 divided by 4, again it will not continue, sorry, it will not divide, so it will continue. 7 divided by 5, again it will continue. 7 divided by 6, it is not 0, again the loop will continue. Now I will become 7, but we have defined here that the loop will continue up to 6. Okay, now I plus 1 means 6 plus 1 is 7 and n is 7. So both are equal. So entered number is prime. Otherwise, entered number is composite. So we will run the program. Fun prime. Now I will run the program. Entered number is composite. Okay, I will run the program. Suppose I am entering a 7. Entered number is prime. Suppose I am entering 11. Entered number is prime. Again I am running program. 9. Entered number is composite. So I hope that program is clear.